What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kendrick Motorsports. I'm Sam, and today is another Dodge Neon build. As you can see, I am currently sitting inside of our newly renovated convertible. Today, I think we are going to get the oil changed so that we can fire it up and take it for a little test drive, see how she does. I haven't driven it probably in 3-4 months. Last time we drove it, we didn't have an oil cap on it. There was no there's an insect flying around. I don't know what that was. So like I was saying, we didn't have an oil cap on it. When I received it, there was way too much oil in it, and so we're gonna drain the oil and put a new fresh set of oil in it. And look who just showed up. The man, the myth, the legend, Kyle. So let's get this thing up on some stands and let's play with the Neon.
Let's do it.
All right, we just got the battery put back in. Windshield wipers work. Oh, look at that. As you can tell, lots and lots of white smoke. Oil burning everywhere. Oh, yep. Apparently the back brake's locked up. Kyle, it's not working.
No.
It's all right, we'll get it working. All right, well, we're gonna go throw it up on the ramps.
Did you just connect them up on this or did that?
Nope, I have not touched anything like that.
Okay, so just loud.
And it is smoking a lot. That could have been from when we were running it before. There was oil spewing out all over the exhaust manifold. That a lot of times has something to do with that. But yeah, so we're gonna give her an oil change and see what she does. All right, so that is a full pan of oil out of a 2-liter 4-banger engine. I have a V8 truck, and my truck doesn't fill that pan up. So whoever did an oil change on this thing last had no clue what they were doing. No wonder it blew white smoke. Alright, so now okay, job 1 accomplished. Got the oil changed and it doesn't seem to smoke anymore because it's supposed to take about, well, according to the book, about 4.4 quarts. And I'm pretty sure I have a 7-quart oil catch pan, and it overfilled that. So there was something wrong there. I'm surprised it still ran. For those of you who don't know, we got this for free last summer. So we have absolutely nothing into it, so we are just playing with it. And that's why things like that we kind of care about, but don't really care about. But now, the next thing is this wheel. For some reason, it does not want to turn, so we are going to jack up the back end, pop that off, and hit it with a hammer a couple times. We'll see. See what happens. So for those of you who don't know, this is what Western New York salt does to a vehicle. Kyle, shake that. Yeah. There's not much holding that on anymore.
It burns down, it burns down. Oh, man. That was something like stuck in the kit. What that noise was.
Oh, there you go. You want this bad boy? There, it spins freely, minus brakes.
We did the brake delete kit.
Because you know what? Can't put up a fight if it's liquid.
That's true.
It is recording. All right, we got it ready. Going for our first test drive. We'll see how it goes. Kyle, buckle up. Safety first. We don't do anything unsafe around here. Just kidding. What fun would that be?
You gotta buckle. Make sure it brakes. Oh yeah.
Brake.
Oh gosh.
I don't know.
These brakes suck.
Oh yeah, they do. Here, back it in there.
Right?
Yep. If it was that or water. Wonder what caught on fire.
Something. Probably there. It's like gasoline. Something's dumping out.
Oh, that is straight gas. Yeah. Well, I don't know if you can see down in there. You see that? Let me refocus here. See that stream of gasoline pouring on the exhaust? No wonder there was a fire. Kyle, we almost done died.
That's not the first time.
Yeah,
Won't be
that's
the
true.
last.
I'm kind of conditioned to it.
Oh.
All right, well, that's where we're going to wrap it up for today. We don't know what caught on fire. We don't think it was actually gas pouring on the exhaust. I think it was coolant, luckily. But either way, there was fire under the hood. That's always an exciting day. So we're going to see what actually happens with this. If we can safely get it going again, we might just beat it until it's dead. If not, it'll just go to the scrapyard like it was supposed to in the first place. So, yeah. Thanks for watching Kendrick Motorsports. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.